Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book a ride in advance on inDrive in 2025. First, open the inDrive app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the menu and select City to City. Next, set your pickup location. You can either type the address manually or use the map to drop a pin. After that, add your destination the same way. Now here's the most important part. Look for the option that says when and tap on it. This is where you can choose the exact date and time for your ride. You can schedule a ride for later today or even several days in advance. Once that's done, confirm the number of passengers. You can also add notes for the driver, such as if you're carrying luggage. Then, enter your fare offer. Finally, tap Find a Driver. inDrive will show you drivers who are available and willing to accept your offer. Choose the driver you prefer, and your ride will be successfully booked in advance. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.